Hey everybody, I'm Jason, the creator of the Army Showcase, and my goal with this short video is to show you just how simple it really is to get started with the Army Showcase. So you want to create a free account first, so you just need to give yourself a username, which is obviously unique to you. Just type in your name, whatever you want to call yourself, I really don't care. Then give yourself an email address. The email address is only used if you ever forget your password, so if you want to type a fake one in there too, go right ahead, but you won't be able to reset your password. And just need to give yourself an actual password, minimum 6 characters long. Choose your age, and then at the very bottom here you got some crazy little capture program to hopefully make sure you're not a computer. And what's actually going to do is take you to a screen here where you can actually create your first profile right away, and when I time myself doing this process, it took only 4 minutes to get the whole thing created. So to create a page, give the page a name, choose a game, choose a color scheme, and now you got to add your army list to the page. So just for each unit, enter in a name, the number of models in the unit, the total cost of the unit, and go ahead, type some details about the unit, click Add Unit to the Army. So do that for each one. Here I'm just creating a very short 400-point patrol army for the Tyranids for Warhammer 40,000. And now I'm going to go ahead and upload an image for the army. As you can see, click the Browse button, choose an image file, and there we go, the image file pops up. And now if you want to, you can kind of type a little paragraph talking about the army, maybe some tactics, why you did something. So this part is pretty optional. If you don't want to do it, don't worry about typing something in, but I just give a little explanation about how I create this battle force from the actual Battle Force box set for the Tyranids. And once you got that all typed in, you can go down to the bottom, click Post Your Army, and it just generates a page. It'll give you a link here, or if you want to click on the link, it'll go to and it'll load up that page. There we go. And there you go. Just like that, your first army profile is created. Really short, really simple, and of course, using our advanced editor, you go ahead and make all sorts of changes to the page if you want to. Or there's other things you could do, like for example, on the army list here, you'll see a Generate Army List button. Click that, and you can build yourself a neat little form like that. You kind of print out and take to your tournaments, so you keep track of what's in your army, and kind of show people a little nice sort of pseudo-official looking army list here. Other things you can do is actually share this army page with other popular miniature wargame community sites and other social networks. So, as you can see here, we got, if you go back to your account and in your page list, there's basic tags that can generate HTML or a PHP-BB, which is a script language used by many forums. And the last thing you can do is actually generate a cool little banner that you can put in some forum signatures. So you click the Generate Forum Signature button there. What you're going to do is choose an image from the page. Select the area that's going to become the banner by dragging this little green box around and resizing it. So I'm going to highlight those guys. Hit Build Banner. Now that's going to be the background of your little banner. Now you're going to choose your text and some color. Hit Add Text to Banner. Once you click Generate, you've got a neat little banner you can use for any kind of forum signatures. And right there you'll see the PHP-BB code where you can kind of copy and paste that into your forum signature. Go back to your account, and now you'll see there's a new link below the page which says ForumSig, which contains that same PHP-BB code. Where you can copy and paste that into forum signatures. So that's really a very short introduction to using the Army Showcase. Like I said, it takes literally just a couple of minutes to get started. And that's about it. So thanks for watching a short tutorial. Hopefully you can get started using the Army Showcase and share your armies with the world.